In this video, I'm going to show you a tip that will blow your mind. Wait a minute. Will it blow your mind? Maybe not, but this tip is going to help you grow your YouTube channel in the least time possible. And my friend, the best thing about this tip, it is that it is free of charge. So my friend, I know you are a small channel and you're looking on ways you can promote your videos. And my friend, the ways are premium and a bit expensive, but this method that I'm going to show you in this video is free of charge. And my friend, I used this tip to grow one of my channels from 0 subscribers to over 2,000 subscribers in 2 months. And 2 months is a very short period of time, and I believe that if you're going to try this method, you are going to make it. So my friend, without further ado, let's get this thing started. So this tip is Facebook, and I know many people have covered this topic before, but then I just want to show you a real example of what I did and how I was able to gather very many subscribers in the least time possible. So my friend, on Facebook there are what we call Facebook groups. You can basically join any group and my friend, post your videos so that people can follow you. But it is not just joining and posting. There are rules that you have to follow. So first of all, you have to pick a niche, which depends on which videos you are making, and then you search for a relevant niche on Facebook and then join in that very group. So say you are making videos about fitness, so you have to go on Facebook and search for fitness in the groups tab, so that you find groups that are related, or you find a community that has an interest in what you are making. And after that, my friend, you can now look at how active is this group. This group should be posting at least 10 posts a day, because you don't want to join a group that is dormant, and you don't want to join a group that admins are very strict on the things of, posting your videos. After you find a group that has been active, you check their rules. So my friend, you have to abide by their rules and at least not to violate one of their rules. So you have to check their rules, see what they want, and at least understand the rules of that very group. After checking that, my friend, you have also to go and make a good rapport with the community in that very group, because I know people have already set foundations and you can't just go and start spamming your videos all over that very group. So you have to see what people post, how they post, and how people engage. And my friend, if you can be able to engage maybe for 2 weeks in that very group without posting your video, just engage, comment on people's posts, and also you can message the admins so that you can be friends with the admins. After that, you will have created a community that understands what you offer. Then you can now ask them, can I post my video here? And then I'm sure if you have a good rapport and if you have connected with the group admin, my friend, he will be able to allow you to post your video in that very group. And once the admin allows that, my friend, you can reach up to even 1,000 people a day, and out of 1,000 people you can get at least 200 people subscribing to your very YouTube channel. So it is a long process which needs a lot of patience and a lot of dedication. So what I did, this very YouTube channel that I've shown you, I usually make videos that are related to reggae music. So I sought groups on YouTube that are related to reggae music, and I joined some of the groups which I felt like are good for me, and then I started now engaging in those very groups, and I found 2 groups that really have helped me. And the reason why they have been able to help me is that I became friends with the group admins. So I inboxed them and I started a chat with them, at least to introduce myself and tell them what I do. And my friend, in fact, one of the admins decided to make me a group admin in his own group that has over 100,000 members. And my friend, remember, I don't know this person. It's just that we've met on Facebook, we've talked, and we've become friends. So this guy trusted me and made me an admin in one of the groups. So after I've made my video, I usually message them my link and tell them, please go check this, and if it is fine, please allow me to post in your group. And my friend, when they check and approve that very video, I usually go and post, and that video does very well. And you can see my videos have so many views, and yet I am just a beginner on YouTube. So my friend, you can still do this, because all you need is to create a community on Facebook that understands you and that has interest in what you offer. Don't just go and spam your videos into people's groups. You will be banned from the groups, your post will not be approved, and you will be stressed for nothing. So my friend, this tip helped me. I hope that it's going to help you. Facebook groups have the power to take you from 0 subscribers to over 1,000 subscribers in the least time possible. And my friend, you can see I have over 2,000 subscribers in less than 2 months. So my friend, this can happen to you because I have tried it and have tested it, and I have realized that it is really working for me. So you find a Facebook group that is related to what you offer. Make sure that you message the group admins and at least introduce yourself, and also make sure that you engage with the posts that are being posted in that very group, and stop spamming. And my friend, I'm guaranteeing you, in 1 week you will be trusted in that group, and in case you post a link, my friend, people will be very willing to click on that link, and most importantly, people will go and subscribe. And my friend, I also want to encourage you, offer videos that are quality, because people want to see the value that you are adding. And I want to tell you this: be a person who adds value in that group more than you take from that group, so that people can have trust in your videos as well as in your channel. Because if you can give value to that group, people will be willing to subscribe. So my friend, this tip has helped me. I felt like sharing it with you so that you can go and make your journey on YouTube to be easy and fabulous, to be very, very productive using Facebook groups. I hope that this video helped you, and if that is the case, my friend, you know what to do. Hit that like button. Really? Boop that like button, because that is the term that I usually use on this channel. So my friend, boop that like button, and if you hate this video, you know what to do. But then I want to encourage you, my friend, subscribe to this channel, and not only subscribe, my friend, ring that bell so that you do not miss any other future tips, tricks, or tutorials. Otherwise, I hope I will see you in my next video. Peace.